deserves a cross of office. Thank you very much. Around the applause for me, please. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's turn them up. Mr. Siminalayi, we are looking forward for you to inventing wheelchair karate. Thank you very much and congratulations for your wonderful demonstration.
organizing these championships in a very professional manner, and I believe there's huge potential for karate to develop in Nigeria, particularly after championships of this caliber. I do think that the Nigerian Karate Federation will receive support from the Commonwealth Karate Federation with regards to the Commonwealth Karate organization going forward, given that Nigeria is an integral part of the Commonwealth.
Thank you so much.
God bless you. Thank you for having me.
Old until for the senior, 28 and 30 years old. This is the range for the categories who participate in the championship. We do it every year, only once, because as you know, Africa is 30,000 million kilometers, square kilometers, and it is difficult for us to organize many championships. So we mix the championship for cadet and the junior and the championship for senior. Why we hold it here in Nigeria? The last time we came here was in 2003 during the All Africa Games. So during these 22 years, we had no continental championship in Nigeria. So last year I was here for the regional championship, and I told Mr. Silas that a country so big, so important in Africa can't stay more than 22 years without championship in karate. In the same time, you have championships in the other sports. This is why I pushed them to organize a championship here, and we are happy that the championship is a very great success.
World Karate Federation and first Vice President of Africa Federation, President of the Mediterranean Federation.
Nigeria is hosting this championship after 22 years. What's your assessment of the organization?
Thank you for this host. But first of all, I would like to thank the President Silas, really, for everything. I can say that 2025 it's the capital city of the karate in Africa. President Silas organized this African Championship 5-star. The high level, he take care of everything from the airport to the velodrome, hotel, everything, and everything is perfect. And it's very enthusiastic, you know. And the organization here in the velodrome, we can say it's by World Championship standing. So we can do everything here in Abuja. I was been there in March to prepare everything with Excellency the Minister of the Authority. And when I came now for the games, for the African Championship, I was not surprised really, because I know what President Silas and the authority and all. I would like to thank everybody for this. It's not championship, but it's ceremonial for these young people who make many people happy with this best and fantastic organization. Really, thank you. Thank you for Nigeria, and thank you for you and for the Abuja city. Thank you.